guys, welcome back to my channel. So to doing the hair, okay, I know my hair looks atrocious, I know, but we're going to sort it out. My sister is going to actually install this passion twist hair from what company? Yeah, it's on Amazon. It's just a passion twist hair that I got, and yeah, I had to pull out the other one because it was like pulling up really fast. I don't know if because how I braided my hair the last time, if it wasn't tight enough, so it was pulling out really fast. So I decided that I'm going to get my sister to like braid my hair like under the crochet so that it can last a longer time. Yeah, plus this one is longer, so I think it's going to be really nice. Actually it is nice. It's not, I don't think it's going to be nice, it's actually nice. But I just braided my hair. This is my braiding pattern. Just braid at the back, and then at the top or at the front of my hair I just installed some tiny regular braids because I think it looks a little bit better when we're doing the crochet method. But this is floating hair, as I said, yeah, that's the name of the hair. Floating, it's 1B, and I think 7 hair comes in the pack. Very soft and nice, but the only thing is the strands are very thin. So if you want your passion twist to be a little bit more fluffy, you would have to like double it. And I think that this 4 packs or the 7 packs will actually do a full like your head, because my hair was actually full and I had like really small braids. Okay, so as you can see, she's just basically twisting the front. She used some she used some edge control on my hair, and then she's just basically going to wrap the hair around my natural hair because I wanted it to be really secure so it doesn't pull out like fast, because my hair is like really thin, so I don't know, the hair just pulls out really fast. But I'm gonna show you like her doing her little method. Like my hair is thin, so I think maybe this is the reason why she wanted to do this method so that it can look a little bit fuller. But I actually was like, I want to have like micro or mini twist at the front. I don't want it to be crocheted on top of the braids, you know what I'm saying? So but you'll see everything later on. And yeah, I think it was really nice. I really love this hairstyle. I'm just gonna shut up and let you watch the rest of the video, and then I'm gonna come back to you later on to just share my thoughts about the hairstyle. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, she's just applying the crochet at the back now using the crochet method, crochet needle, and just applied it. Like, it's pretty like self-explanatory. I don't really need to like spend a lot of time to just explain this part. It's just simply applying the crochet here onto the braids and then twisting it. And I had to like help her twist the hair because the hair didn't come pre-twist. Yeah, it was just like the bulk crochet here, like curly, in its curly state, so I had to like help her twist it. So as you can see, that's what we're doing currently. Just gonna finish this part and come back to you.
I'm waking up and I can't let go. I'm in my head but I can't say no. Hate that I do this all the time. It's another moment on the things that I can't control. I need to find some peace of mind tonight. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. I don't wanna think about it now, nah, nah. You can plan it, I really thought that I would have it mostly figured out by now. Tired of them bringing me down. It's automatic and it's tragic, cause what matters every second that I lose, I wish I could get back to.
Okay, so as you can see, we're basically finished, and as you can see, the twists are like big, and what she's actually doing now, she's using the crochet needle to apply maybe three like the braids free crochet hair onto the braids and that's going to allow it to look like thicker. But I was like sitting there and like my hair is a little bit too thin for this method, so I told her like I want the mini twist, so it can make like the middle part or the side part so it doesn't look so, what do you say now, so flat, because my hair is so thin. If your hair is like thicker, you can apply this method. Just braid the hair, like twist the hair, or braid, or should I say now, twist the hair a little bit bigger and then apply the small crochet hair onto the braids. I don't know how to explain this to you, and then twist it on the braids, on the single braids. All right, so it would be like three strand of crochet hair on one braid, and that would allow it to give you, or it would make it look a little bit more fuller, and also it doesn't have to have like that crochet, what do you say now, the line, for example, when you would like crochet your natural hair and that just weird look, it wouldn't have that, so it would be a little bit better. So I decided that I didn't want that look. I just wanted her to like braid it onto my hair, just everything. That took a little bit more time because I had to pull it out and she had to do it over. But I prefer this method because my hair is extremely thin and it wasn't, I don't know, I wasn't feeling it. So she redid it. Thank her, thank Anna. I was like a pain, but she So as you can see now, she's just adding her edge control, and this was my hair. Really loved it. Oh guys, if you're wondering what's that white thing on my forehead, I have a super gigantic pimple, so I had to put some benzoyl peroxide, and then yeah, that was it. I was just trying to treat my pimple, but I wanted to do like a finish makeup look and so forth, but I'm like, hell no, I'm not gonna put any makeup on my face right now because I have that giant pimple, and I think that's an inflammation or inflammatory pimple or something. Pustule, it's a pustule. It's like super gigantic, so I don't want to put any makeup on that, so I'm just gonna leave it, and I'm going to show you the finished look with my fresh face. My face is pretty clear right now, just that one little ugly pimple that I hate. Oh my gosh, I hate it so much. But this is my finished look. Really love the hair, and all the information or details about the hair is going to be linked in the description. And yeah, really love the hairstyle. She did a good job with my thin hair, so I gave her like the props for that. And I love this hair because it's so full and it's curly, and it's giving me the same vibe as the hair that I had in before, just longer and a little bit more, the curls are a little bit more not so defined. So I think it's really cute. All right, but this is it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.